In this video, we will watch a group of terrifying videos that were captured from the home door surveillance camera. But before we begin, I want to introduce myself to you through this short video. Wait, please. I want to tell you something before you watch the video. My friends and my family on the channel. My name is Jimmy. I am a man from a country in north of Africa. I am going through difficult circumstances in my living life, and I have some health problems, and this makes me suffer. I came to YouTube to provide you with good content and to help my living situation. I want you to be my family, my friends, and my support on this channel. If you like the content I provide, don't forget to leave me a comment and show me some support because I need your encouragement. Thank you all, and the Almighty God bless you. On a cold night in Arizona, residents of the city woke up to a woman's screams. It seemed as if the woman was in danger. The woman was repeatedly asking for help. Moments later, a car without a license plate appeared. The woman was screaming from inside the car. The neighborhood residents believed she had been kidnapped. Police investigated the case from the beginning, but have yet to reach any conclusions. Late in the middle of the night, a stranger approached the home of a woman named Paula. Paula was alone in the house. The man was holding a rope and knocked on the door several times. Afterwards, he began behaving strangely.
Hey, how you doing? I don't mean to knock on your door, but I just got assaulted by my girl. You know what I'm saying? You know, I ain't no snitch.
You had to call.
She playing.
You had to call.
It's okay. No, it's okay. No. It's okay. It's okay. I ain't no snitch. I don't mean to bother nobody. But I would down on my truth. On my truth. Be respecting a queen, a woman. Put hands on me. But it's all good. Because guess what? Cops come through, they'll shoot me. Taking the arm on the wrong. But I ain't no wrong. Hands on me. I ain't even do nothing. It's all good.
This man indirectly threatened Paula. He appeared to be under the influence of drugs, and his behavior was erratic. And this video was filmed in Indiana. The woman noticed a stranger outside her house. This person knocked on the door several times. He knew the woman lived alone. The woman was frightened by his presence outside her house and immediately called the police.
Hi, good. Can you
know
step
your
in?
neighbors? No, it's fine. You know your neighbors?
Yeah.
What's his name?
David?
David?
I don't know his last name.
Okay.
Off the top of my head.
Well, this guy said, granted, that he's cleaning up. I'm pretty sure was...
No, he's been ringing our doorbell trying to get
Your
in.
doorbell?
Mine, yes. I'm the one that called. He's been trying to get
Okay,
mine.
they told me that he's ringing the neighbor's doorbell. No.
Well, no, I don't even think my neighbor's home. Was there a blue car in the
No.
driveway?
The police tried to find the man, but all their attempts were unsuccessful and they did not arrest him. And this video was filmed in Washington, D.C. A person woke up to a terrifying situation.
Hey, man, big dog, I need you, big dog, boy. Look here. Boy, I need you bad, man. I need about 50, man. I've been out here waiting to see what I come up with. I said, let me go see boss. You know, you don't do that for me, big dog. I need about 50.
Man, it's too late, man, in the night, man.
Man, when you off this, it ain't never too late.
The video shows a strange man standing outside the door. The man's expression was very angry. He even threatened the homeowners several times. He appeared to be under the influence of drugs. as his expression was completely unnatural. And this woman was returning home with her child. She noticed a car following her. The car was following them at a slow speed. The woman began to feel scared, especially since it was very late. And when she reached one of the cars, she hid under it. Fortunately, the strange driver left the place immediately. It looked like he was planning something dangerous. And this video was filmed in Ohio. Mary noticed a person outside her door. The stranger was wearing a terrifying mask. It seemed as if the man was trying to scare Mary from the door camera. And one night, a stranger approached a house and committed a dangerous act. He set the house on fire in cold blood. Fortunately, no one was harmed. This is considered a clear attempt at murder. A surveillance camera in Texas captured a very terrifying video. The man said he was a delivery worker, but what happened was completely unexpected. The police arrested the main suspect in the attack. He turned out to be a former police officer. However, the remaining suspects are still being sought. This video was filmed in Pennsylvania. A surveillance camera captured a stranger watching a house, as if trying to make sure no one was inside.
Can I help?
This stranger tried to open all the doors, but when he noticed the surveillance camera, and he left the house. A surveillance camera in Louisiana captured a stranger attacking a home.
I'm sorry, man. I thought my girl was in your house. Right? I'm sorry, man. I thought my girl was in your house.
The homeowner notified the police, and they were later able to arrest the suspect. Fortunately, the door was locked, or it would have been a tragic end.